Did you know that companies that offer comprehensive training programs have 218% higher income per employee compared to those with less comprehensive training? This fact underscores the critical importance of effective training management. Many organizations struggle with uncoordinated training efforts, inconsistent learning experiences, and difficulty in measuring the ROI of training initiatives. These issues can lead to wasted resources, skill gaps, and decreased organizational performance. At a personal level, training managers and coordinators often feel overwhelmed by the complexity of managing multiple training programs, aligning them with organizational goals, and ensuring their effectiveness. This course is designed to address these challenges head-on. It equips training professionals with the skills and tools needed to strategically plan, implement, and evaluate training programs. Participants will learn how to conduct needs assessments, design comprehensive training plans, manage training logistics, and evaluate training effectiveness. They'll also gain insights into the latest learning technologies and methodologies. For organizations, the impact is significant. They can expect more aligned and effective training programs, better utilization of training resources, and improved overall organizational performance. On a personal and team level, training managers become strategic partners in their organization's success. They develop increased confidence in their ability to deliver impactful training initiatives, enhance their project management skills, and often see improved career prospects. Don't let ineffective training management hinder your organization's growth. Enroll in this course today and become a catalyst for continuous learning and development in your workplace.